Dog Clicker Training Kit. Dog Clicker Training Kit contains 1 dog treat pouch and 2-pack pet training clickers for cats, puppy, birds, horses. The black dog training treat pouch is multifunction, and the blue and white clickers is effective. It's your good choice for training your pets. Multifunction dog treat pouch. The dog treat pouch with large capacity can prevent food, toys, and others from being mixed. The large inner compartment is suitable for pet treats, kibble and snacks. The front mesh pocket is suitable for pet toys. The 2 zippered pockets can hold your mobile phone and valuables, and a poop bag holder, so that you can prepare a poop bag dispenser immediately when you need it. Effective dog clicker. You can use the pet training clicker to train all your pets. Not only for dog but also for cat, bird, chicken, even horse. You can use it to train your pet the basic obedience, small trick, and correct the bad behavior. Scientific method of training your pet safely and easily. Easy to use. The dog treat training pouch is easy to open and close. It has 4 carrying variants: clip and loop for use as a bum bag, shoulder bag, hip bag and belt bag. You can choose the most comfortable and convenient way to wear according to your preferences and actual situation. The clicker training for dogs is easy to use, simple push button with distinct clicking sound. Train your pet just by simply pressing the clicker and command. Perfect gift. Satisfaction GUARANT. Dog treat training pouch is perfect for daily walking and dog agility training. The dog treat pouch is a perfect gift for dog trainer and dog owner. If you are not satisfied with the dog training pouch, feel free to contact us. We will make sure you are satisfied. Top reviews from the United States. A lifesaver. Well, it's lifesaver for all my clothing pockets and those days when my clothes have no pockets. I can fill this with a variety of treats or a bunch of kibble and be on the go all day. I have put my ID, money and a debit card in one of the zippered pockets. There are 2 zippered pockets and a small net pouch. There are also an assortment of rings and clips, so I can also attach my car keys, and this becomes an alternative to a purse. Being able to wear it in various ways, around my waist, attached to a belt or over my shoulder, really helps with the grab and go aspect of house training a puppy. Speaking of which, the built-in poo bag dispenser is genius. The little pop-out water bowl is also great. I just have to remember a bottle of water or find a fountain or spigot when out and about. My dog, even at 9 weeks, recognizes that when I grab the bag there are good things about to happen.